Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about hybrid and multi-cloud and how a product can help you building such use cases. This new product called OVHcloud Connect Provider is the result of months of tight collaboration with our partners, Equinix and Megaport. So today, I'm really happy to welcome Matt, VP Product at Megaport, and Nicolas, Solution Architect Director at Equinix, to explain you the benefits of our partnership. So we are going to present the new product, OVHcloud Connect Provider, first. Then we'll let Equinix explain how it integrates with this product. And then it will be the turn of Megaport to do as well. So first, some terminology. Hybrid cloud is sharing workloads between on-prem or co-located data center and a cloud provider. Multi-cloud is sharing workloads across cloud providers. To build such architecture, you need connections that are reliable and fast between all those locations. And this is why you need OVHcloud Connect Provider. So let's have a look at all the benefits of this new product. First, customer gets extended reach. The customer can access OVHcloud from anywhere in the world thanks to our partners' network. Customer gets instant provisioning. His link is provided in minutes. Customer can enjoy easy configuration through API and UI. Solution is cost-effective and one of the most competitive in the market. Pricing is predictable. We are actually offering a flat rate based on the bandwidth you need. Also, we have a brand new website, so I encourage you to visit it. Offers are available right now. So now it is time to present you the other part of the product. So I will let our partners talk about their offering and how it fits with OVHcloud Connect. So first, I will let Nicolas from Equinix talk about his solutions, and then Megaport with Matt. Thank you, everyone.
Hello, and welcome to this presentation. Thank you for joining us today. I will start by describing a bit what the partnership between OVHcloud and Equinix looks like. So OVHcloud and Equinix are working together for a bit more than 10 years now, and OVHcloud is present with Equinix in 15 locations globally. And today we will be discussing the launch of OVHcloud Connect, so the direct connectivity product into the OVHcloud infrastructure. So initially, the service is going to be launched in 3 metros in EMEA, Paris, London, and Frankfurt. But the benefit of Platform Equinix is that through the backbone we have deployed, interconnecting all our data centers together, that means that any over 2,000 customers connected to the platform can instantly benefit from the connectivity direct to OVHcloud. And I will explain now a bit more how this Equinix Fabric works and how customer can connect directly into OVHcloud to enable hybrid and multi-cloud infrastructures. So Equinix Fabric is a global SDN network we have deployed to provide point-to-point interconnection between any two parties. So that means that through a portal, you can create direct point-to-point interconnection between two endpoints. So it can be your deployment connecting to one of the clouds available on the platform, or one of your deployment connected to another partner in the ecosystems. So everything is done through a portal, and if you want to fully automate that, we are also providing a set of APIs to our customers. And since we try to provide as much as possible on-demand services to the customers, we have completed this connectivity offering with 2 exciting products. So the first one is Network Edge. That's an NFV platform we have launched at the end of last year, where customers can create virtual devices so they can manage the routing or firewall or SD-WAN device directly on the Equinix infrastructure. And again, these services are provided in minutes. And the other thing is the packet acquisition that we have completed a couple of months ago. And we will be able to provide bare metal as a service for customers who want to have dedicated infrastructure in addition to the cloud services they are using. And the great benefit of Platform Equinix is that it really enables hybrid and multi-cloud. So the 2 main use cases we are seeing today is indeed multi-cloud, so customer willing to deploy some workloads in OVHcloud and some other workloads in another cloud. And through the Fabric and Network Edge, you can bridge them together and achieve very high bandwidth and very low latency, as long as all the providers are within the same metro. And the other things we are seeing is customers who are willing to have dedicated infrastructure. I mean, things that cannot go into the cloud because it's legacy infrastructure, or maybe there are some regulatory requirements or security issues. And we are seeing customers deploying dedicated storage at Equinix and then interconnecting directly to OVHcloud. And since the latency and the bandwidth are high enough, the latency is low, but the bandwidth is high enough, so we can have direct interconnection between this dedicated storage and VMs running in OVHcloud. So that means that you can use and consume data in the cloud while all the data remains securely stored in a dedicated and physical environment. So if you have any further questions, I would be happy to answer them during the Q&A session later. Thank you very much. And now I think I'd hand over to Matt.
Hello, everyone. I'm Matt Simpson, the Vice President of Cloud Product at Megaport. Today, we'll be talking about our enablement and our integration with OVHcloud. Megaport is a global interconnection platform, allowing enterprise users to connect their branch, DC, and other cloud environments privately and securely through network connections to OVHcloud. We deliver network as a service, allowing customers to enable, order, and provision their private and secure connections using our portal. And they have the ability to pay as they use. Today, we'll be talking about a couple of use cases where we see enterprise customers connecting to OVHcloud. Our presence, Megaport's presence, we have 700 data center locations worldwide across 24 countries and just over 130 cities. This is a use case where customers might be in a co-location facility like an Equinix or a CoLogix or a CoreSite or a Cyxtera data center. We have over 100 data center vendors and operators that we have enablement with across those 700 locations. And from one of those locations, I can enable as a user or an enterprise user an instant connection to OVHcloud, regardless of where my infrastructure is actually hosted. That use case might be, I might be in Switzerland or Sweden, and I need to connect to the closest OVHcloud network on-ramp. With our API integration with OVHcloud, customers can simply order, configure, and manage their bandwidth simply through a series of a few clicks through our portal or API. Beyond the co-location data centers, we've recently enabled and integrated our partnership with Cisco Viptela, allowing the enterprise user to connect their branch locations to OVHcloud in a matter of minutes. And they can scale that bandwidth in real time. Megaport has a growing and rich ecosystem, and it's really important that I sort of highlight the value here for the enterprise connecting to OVHcloud. I could be a managed service provider like a Rackspace, who is providing services on behalf of the enterprise who would like to connect to OVHcloud. We have managed service providers, network service operators, and providers in there. And we also have data center operators as well that are using our fabric to connect to cloud services. We have just over 1,800 customers and over 200 other cloud interconnect points worldwide, allowing those customers who might be hosted in another cloud environment or cloud service and looking to privately interconnect with OVHcloud. So I touched on the 200 cloud interconnect points. A perfect use case is a customer might have their database running in Oracle Cloud, but they're looking to connect their Oracle database to an OVHcloud application, and they don't want that to traverse the internet. Using our virtual router, they can establish a virtual router within a couple of minutes and have two private interconnections between OVHcloud and Oracle within a matter of minutes. And they can scale that bandwidth up and down whenever they need to. that's the end of the presentation with Megaport, and we'll be taking further questions later on in the session. Thank you for having us, Matthew and OVHcloud.
So now let's talk about the competition. Is there any competition to OVHcloud Connect product? Yes, of course. All the cloud providers have their own offer. But to connect to OVHcloud, you need to use OVHcloud Connect. However, our prices are more competitive, and we offer a flat rate, allowing the customer to have a predictable bill. Thank you, everyone, for listening. And then now I welcome your question, which will be answered by me and my fellow partners, Matt and Nicholas. Thank you.